Hey guys, in today's video I wanna show you my new fiber optics internet. It is provided by UPC, an European internet provider founded in Netherlands. The speed should be approximately 500 megabits per second, which is equal to 62.5 megabytes per second. I know what you came here for, so I stopped talking and start the test. As you can see, the download speed oscillates within 490 megabits per second, and the upload speed is about 28 megabits per second. I would choose another closer to my server. That choice should be better. You can see the results. Nothing's real changed. I have had this fiber for almost 2 months and I haven't had any problems with it. Now let's try to download some game. It will be Fortnite. And don't worry, I won't forget to remove it from my hard disk, just for educational purposes. Resume. It is about 40 megabits per second, and I quickly counted that it should have been downloaded in 7 minutes. I think it is a really good result. Let me know in the comments what kind of internet do you have. Certainly don't forget to like, comment and share this video if you have enjoyed these 3 minutes. Have a nice day. See you!